This is Kevin, also known as AWOL, and today we're going to take this pattern here, which is, I've already forgotten the pattern number. It is pattern 14755 on friendshipbracelets.net. And we're going to essentially go from 6 strings to 12 strings. Let me move this off to the side. And then I'm going to put it onto a new layer. There we go. I guess what we're going to do is center it like this, but I will still have to go back and double flip it when we do the bottom half of this. So this is all there is to this. It's just a simple zigzag, which obviously is going to use that string a lot. So just a heads up when you're cutting your string, this one will be a long one. All right, so now we just have to do this to show where the underlying string is, which is kind of normal, a little bit dull, but yeah. Actually, I don't think I get to do much of the whole copy and flip thing because of the way this pattern works. But that's okay. Yeah, this is going to be really interesting when we're done with it. So we're doubling the strings, but we're not doubling the pattern per se. Let's see how this goes. My thought was the outer part, it has a zigzag that's about the same size, but it comes in close like this. Oh, wait. No, it's like this. I wonder if this will work in the middle. I guess we'll find out when we go to flip it. But yeah, so the points are kind of coming together. So instead of having just one zigzag or doubling it and having 2 zigzags, we're going to end up with 3. Will that become interesting? I hope so. All right, so the next one is over here. Oh yeah, this is, it's going to be subtle. Here, let me, while I'm finishing these up, let me just thank my Patreon supporters as well as my YouTube members for making this possible. I think this pattern is going to be kind of amazing and definitely different from some of the other patterns we've had where it's got these little squares in it. It will be interesting. And yeah, without their help, I would not have been able to have gotten as far with all these videos that I've done. So thank you guys. You can see I'm just kind of mapping this out still. Oh, my alarm going on. Time to take my medicines, but that's okay. Let's finish up this first, see how it goes. Oh, wow. Yeah, so it's like having alternating little squares. The zigzags, I'm not sure if it will be as obvious that it was built off of zigzags. let's copy and paste this. Use our flip tool, go to the horizontal line and flip it. So this would give us a weird center, right? But if we flip it this way, yep, our zigzags work again. Hang on, let's go back to the thing. Wait, first we gotta anchor the layer. Back to the paint, I missed a square here and here. Yep, so the zigzags just continue on. So now it's endless. It's really kind of cool. I like how there'll be like the little dots on the outside and these bigger squares in here. Not sure how difficult this is going to be to make, but we'll give it a run. We'll see how it happens. Yeah, I'm really unsure about it at the moment, but that's what makes it exciting. So thanks for hanging out with me. And of course, as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.